Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. We're going to jump into a new unit called polynomials. Taking this to a math example, this right here, 3x to the fourth power, that's how we read it, 3x to the fourth. This is considered a single term. We're going to look at the parts of a term. The number in front of the variable is called the coefficient. The variable is the x. And the 4 up top is our exponent. And remember, we talked about that when we did first parentheses, then exponents in our dance where we punched up to the ceiling. One term is considered a monomial. Two terms is a binomial. We have 3x to the fourth plus 6x squared. That's how we read that. Three terms is a trinomial, 3x to the fourth plus 6x squared minus 8. All of these together have many terms, and they are called polynomials. They're multiple terms being added or subtracted. We're going to look at each expression and combine just the like terms, just like we combined Araceli's together, Mrs. R's together, and Miss Mitchell's together. First, we're going to look at this x squared. There's no coefficient in front, so we assume it is a 1, that red 1. We're going to look for all of the x squareds. Notice there are two x squared terms, a 1x squared plus a 4x squared. That gives us 5x squareds. Now we're going to look at the x's. This is negative 2x minus 7x in blue. We cannot combine that with x squareds. This is just x terms. Well, negative 2 of something minus 7 of something is negative 9 of something. In other words, it's negative 9x. Lastly, we have our numbers, or our constants, without variables. We have negative 1 and positive 10. Negative 1 plus 10 gives us a positive 9. We have simplified this expression to what we have in orange, 5x squareds minus 9x's plus 9. Some people choose to color code or highlight like we would in class. Others will draw shapes, and that's what we're going to look here. When we look at this again, the sign in front of each term goes with it. So we're going to combine like terms by identifying which ones go together. I could see that the 5x squared and negative 4x squareds go together. They both have x squareds. I can also see the 9x and 2x go together. They both have x's. Lastly, I can see the negative 12 and the positive 3 go together. They both are numbers without any variables. For the squares, 5x squared minus 4x squared, 5 minus 4 is 1, so we have 1x squared. The ovals in blue, 9x plus 2x is 11x. And then lastly in green, negative 12 plus 3 gives us a negative 9. This is our final answer, x squared plus 11x minus 9. This video showed you how to combine like terms. You can go ahead and watch the second video, and then you'll be able to do your weekly assignment and your CAMI homework. If you have any questions, as always, please let me know.